Airport layout and zones. Terminals. 1. Terminals are the main buildings at an airport where passengers can find facilities such as check-in counters, security checkpoints, baggage claim, and boarding gates. Airports can have multiple terminals, each serving different airlines or flight destinations. Terminals are designed to efficiently manage the flow of passengers, aircraft, and cargo, providing a range of services to facilitate air travel. Two terminals are typically divided into different levels, with the ground level often housing arrivals and baggage claim areas, while the upper levels accommodate departures and boarding gates. The layout of terminals is designed to streamline the passenger journey, providing clear wayfinding and access to essential services such as shops, restaurants, and transportation facilities. Gates. Gates are designated areas within the terminal where passengers board and disembark from aircraft. Each gate is typically associated with specific flights and is equipped with seating areas, information displays, and boarding bridges or air stairs for passenger access to the aircraft. Gates are often organized into concourses or piers, which are extensions of the terminal building that house multiple gates. These concourses are designed to efficiently handle the boarding and deplaning process for various flights, providing amenities such as seating areas, restrooms, and retail outlets to enhance the passenger experience while waiting for their flights. Lounges. 1. Airport lounges are exclusive areas within the terminal that offer premium services and amenities to passengers, often catering to frequent flyers, business travelers, or passengers holding premium tickets. Lounges provide a tranquil and comfortable environment, offering facilities such as complimentary food and beverages, Wi-Fi, workstations, and relaxation areas. Lounges are designed to provide a respite from the hustle and bustle of the terminal, offering a range of services to enhance the travel experience. Some lounges also offer business centers, showers, and dedicated staff to assist passengers with their travel needs. Access to airport lounges is typically granted through airline loyalty programs, premium ticket purchases, or paid memberships. Check-in and boarding processes. Check-in process. The check-in process is the initial step for passengers before boarding a flight. It involves several procedures and documentation requirements. Passengers are typically required to present their identification, such as a passport or government-issued ID, along with their flight reservation details. The check-in process can be completed through various methods, including online check-in, self-service kiosks at the airport, or traditional check-in counters staffed by airline agents. During check-in, passengers receive their boarding passes, which contain essential flight information, including the seat assignment, departure gate, and boarding time. Boarding process. The boarding process occurs after passengers have completed the check-in procedures. Passengers are required to present their boarding passes and travel documents, such as passports and visas, at the departure gate. Boarding typically occurs in designated groups or zones, with passengers called to board the aircraft in a specific order. The boarding pass is scanned and passengers proceed through the jet bridge or air stairs to access the aircraft. Cabin crew members are present to greet passengers, assist with seating, and ensure a smooth boarding process. Procedures and documentation for check-in. The check-in procedures involve verifying passenger identification, confirming flight reservations, and issuing boarding passes. Passengers may be required to provide additional documentation for international travel, such as visas or travel permits, depending on the destination. Airlines can also have specific requirements for baggage check-in, including weight limits and security screening procedures. Passengers are advised to adhere to airline policies and regulations regarding check-in procedures to ensure a seamless travel experience. Procedures and documentation for boarding. During the boarding process, passengers are required to present their boarding passes and travel documents for verification by airline staff. It is essential for passengers to have their identification readily available and comply with security and immigration requirements. Boarding procedures can vary based on the airline's policies, flight class, and destination. Passengers are encouraged to follow the instructions provided by airline personnel and adhere to the designated boarding sequence to facilitate an orderly and efficient boarding process.